What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage. "3:28 a.m.
Hey yo, I'm tired of this fucking beat. Hey yo, how many y'all niggas?
8:01 p.m.
Hey yo, I'm tired of this fucking beat. Hey yo, how many y'all niggas? How many y'all niggas gotta do this beat? I should kill this fucking panda, man.
Yeah, I'm tired of this fucking panda song. I don't stand alone. I just wanna wrap my fucking hands across, stab the head and break the fucking panda's jaw, burn them up and turn the fucking candles on, choke and beat them.
2 hours later.
Turn the fucking candles on, choke and beat them, put a couple of hammers on them, dab on a nigga while I'm standing on him, kick a punch and throw him, make him send the war time to a cannon, make him cannonball to the ocean, make him suffer too. Nigga, this is fucking animal abuse, animal cruelty on the fucking news. I'ma kill the panda till he bloody too, and make him black and blue for the black and white. I don't fuck with niggas like a pack of dice. Eat the panda, bitch, I got an appetite. I'm out the phone, I'm sweating, I'm a satellite. I'm in the rappers, gotta try to play me. Trying to hear the niggas on the same beat. Trying to kill the panda, I'm a Travis Scott to Atlanta in the same week. What's a panda to a fucking polar bear? A gorilla to a monkey, tiger to a puppy. Doing interviews and autographs. I don't like the way you talk and all of that. I should fuck your bitch and never call her back. I go down in history as an artifact, bro. I'm tired of this fucking panda song. I just wanna wrap my fucking hands across, stab the head and break the fucking panda's jaw, burn them up and turn the fucking candles on, choke the beat and put a couple of hammers on them, dab on a nigga while I'm standing on him, kick him, hit him, make him cannonball to the ocean, make him suffer too. Nigga, this is fucking animal abuse, animal cruelty on the fucking news. I'ma kill the panda till he bloody too. Well, that's a bloody mess, that's a bloody death. Tell them niggas hating on me, suck a dick. I ain't satisfied until I get to smash J-Lo and give her ass a couple kids. I've been on Animal Planet, I got my hands in the fan, I'm a cannon again, and nobody gonna handle the planet. Damn it, I build it, don't even wanna hear what they planning. I sit in the pen again, and I blend with the hammer, the man with the planet. You looking at the man in the mirror, the man with the killer. I feel the nigga shit in the building. I hate when the villains are really well. I handle my business again, and I get it. I gotta get it. Damn it, I did it. I'm out of this. Come out of me, about to be out of there, out of the ride, inside of the driver's seat, the lottery. How do we get out of the mind of a prodigy, nigga? All I ever wanted was to hit the lottery, nigga. All eyes on me, and it gotta be, nigga. Swear to God, Tupac could be proud of me, nigga. All I know is a fire burning inside of me, nigga. All I ever could be as real as I gotta be, nigga. But why you all wanna act hard? Where I'm from, we get it poppin' in the backyard. Now everybody wanna run up on the back door. Half pussy, half bitch, you a cat dog. Let me see you do the cat daddy on a black caddy. So they got a fat fatty and a flat belly. All she do is laugh, really, get she act petty. I can't finish on a nigga off a balcony for running his mouth. Yeah, that got me mad. I'ma put the panda in a body bag. What you doing around here? Why you standing around? Why you niggas trying to lollygag? You don't got a life and you proud of that. All you wanna know is where the money at. All you hoes think about is product bags. How to kill the panda with his honor at, nigga. But this is not a diss, don't call it that. I'm just giving all you pandas hepatitis, cancer, HIV, and a heart attack. All you broke bitches need to call a cat. Cause I ain't... Yo, stop rapping over this goddamn beat, cause I ain't too far to that. Look, I'm tired of this fucking panda song. I don't stand alone. I just wanna wrap my fucking hands across, stab their head and break the fucking panda's jaw, burn them up and turn the fucking candles on, choke and beat them, put a couple of hammers on them, dab on a nigga while I'm standing on them like this.